Why are lumber prices so high right now? Who's getting rich? Keep watching. Let's go ahead and go over this. If you're new here, welcome to I Like to Build Stuff. This channel where I, Jim, the guy in the videos, not only builds all kinds of stuff like woodworking and metalworking to building shops and houses and all kinds of outdoor structures such as porch swings and pergolas and big old, but I will also give you reviews on kinds of stuff that'll help you in your decisions to see if it's right for you and your projects. Okay, here we go and back to the video. Hey everyone, have you noticed that when you went down to your favorite building store only to find that the lumber, building materials, okay, wood stuff, the prices are the highest they've ever been? Now, the availability of these products was like a run on toilet paper during the pandemic, which brings us to where we're at right now. Now, the primary reason why lumber prices have tripled over the past 12 months, I mean, going from roughly $350 per thousand board foot to nearly $1,200 is due to insufficient production. Well, supply shortages have caused the price of other building materials to rise too. Like last year as well, OSB, oriented strand board, prices are up to over 400% since last April. All right, let me run this down, and I'm going to tell you why and for how long. But if you could, take a minute to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I sure would appreciate it. Oh, and please comment about what your experience is in your area. But remember to say your city or town. Many of the mills reduced production last spring due to the stay-at-home orders and the social distancing measures enacted by the state and local governments when the pandemic started. When it became clear in the next few months that the housing was doing much better than predicted and the demand remained strong, the lumber mills did not increase production accordingly. Most of all, lumber producers did not anticipate how the demand for those rascally do-it-yourselfers, you know who I'm talking about, hey, along with the big box retailers during this pandemic. Now, people stuck at home because of the pandemic all across the country decided it was a good time to take on home improvement project repairs and remodeling their homes, and well, they put up fences, they added decks, built out offices, refinished basements. You know, the DIY trend helped drive the sales numbers at the stores such as Home Depot and Lowe's. Now, it's not just the DIYers. New home building is up due to the great interest rates, along with the developers, builders anticipating the market swooping up a lot of the lumber availability. Right now, we are looking at an added $36,000 to $40,000 from just a year ago for the average single-family home. They calculated the prices by 1,000 board feet, like I said earlier. It went from $350 to over $1,200 per thousand feet. All right, now where is it going from here, and what to expect in the future? Well, a lot of things play into this, such as getting people back to work, at the sawmills, from timber to stud, okay? Maybe the interest rates need to be adjusted to slow down the market so we don't burst that bubble, kind of the bubble we're in, I guess. Let me give you an example of what I think may happen. Okay, in my off-road manufacturing company, we went through thousands of dollars. I mean, every month in steel, like tubing, and along with aluminum sheets and solids. Now, all of a sudden, prices went up over 400% due to the China buying up all the scrap steel and so forth. There are just all kinds of things went on there. Now, it got so bad that I was able to buy steel from Germany, have it shipped to me, cheaper than buying it in the US, if it were even available at all here. Well, after everything calmed down, the suppliers found out that customers paid whatever it took to get it. What happened next is they lowered the prices by about 100%. Okay, everybody went crazy about this. Now, everybody was all happy, except they forgot they're still paying 200% more than before. All right, making customers believe that they're getting a deal with only paying 200% more was ingenious, okay? And it has been happening across the metal market all the time now. I sure hope this isn't the case for the lumber market, but be prepared for it. I have a feeling that, well, I think you know. Hey, just in case you're wondering, and I want to answer it before you comment in this comment section. Yes, we do not. No, we do not have the off-road manufacturing anymore. We used to have that where we built just a ton of sand cars and parts, off-road racing vehicles, well, like these. We also had a company that did off-road racing seats, suspension seats, that, I don't know why I'm grabbing my butt, but anyways, because I'm sitting. I'll be sitting in it. All right. Anyways, yeah, we did that. So we sold all that out right before the housing boom crashed in 2008. So we're kind of lucky there. But anyways, just answer that question before you ask it, because a lot of people I know will ask it. I know a lot of you are going to say it's because of the tariffs. But that's only a small part of it and was already built into the prices before the pandemic even started. Now, if you're still watching this video, it's a good time to please click on the subscribe button, and most of all, click on the thumbs up to like this video. It really helps out the channel, and of course, sharing this video means a great deal to me. And thank you all for doing that. It really helps the channel out. Now, if you have any questions or comments, please let us all know. We are a community here and we help each other. Now, as some of you know, I was planning a new house build, but we decided to shelve that just until everything calms down and we know where this is going, as a lot of you have done. Let us know in the comments if you've stopped your projects because of all this and you're kind of waiting it out or not. We decided to build a small shop on the property that we're at now. Just to kind of so we can keep bringing you build projects. You know, this is going to be a whole different story of how we're going around this, because we've been catching all kinds of zoning problems about this because of expansive soil, and we're the only one here that had expansive soil. I'll explain all that later. So hey, keep an eye out for the upcoming videos like the shop build, more outdoor structures, a great series on outdoor wood furniture that you're going to love. Now, you can also look at these bad boys and other great stuff. And again, we thank you so much for watching. And hey, see you over there and keep building stuff, okay?